Let me tell you why you're here. You're here because you know something. What you know you can't explain. But you feel it. I'm trying to free your mind.
Leaked documents showed NVIDIA scraping a human lifetime of videos per day to train AI. Internal emails, Slack conversations, and documents obtained by 404 Media show how NVIDIA created a yet-to-be-released video foundational model. NVIDIA scraped videos from YouTube and several other sources to compile training data for its AI projects. Internal Slack chats, emails, and documents obtained by 404 Media. So it says, when asked about legal and ethical aspects of using copyrighted content to train an AI model, NVIDIA defended its practice as being in full compliance with the letter and spirit of copyright law. Internal conversations at NVIDIA viewed by 404 Media show when employees working on the project raised questions about potential legal issues surrounding the use of datasets compiled by academics for research purposes in YouTube videos. Managers told them they had clearance to use that content from the highest levels of the company. Slack messages from inside a channel the company set up for the project show employees using open source YouTube video downloader called YTDLP combined with virtual machines that refresh IP addresses to avoid being blocked by YouTube. According to messages, they were attempted to download full-length videos from a variety of sources, including Netflix, but were focused on YouTube videos. Emails viewed by 404 Media show project managers discussing using 20 to 30 virtual machines in AWS to download 80 years worth of videos per day. We are finalizing the V1 data pipeline and securing the necessary computing resources to build a video data factory that can yield a human lifetime visual experience worth of training per day. Ming-Yu Liu, Vice President of Research at NVIDIA and a Cosmos project leader, said in an email in May. Continuing on, a former NVIDIA employee whom 404 Media granted anonymity to speak about the internal NVIDIA processor said that employees were asked to scrape videos from Netflix, YouTube, and other sources to train an AI model for NVIDIA's Omniverse 3D world generator, self-driving car systems, and digital human products. The project, internally named Cosmos, but different from the company's existing Cosmos deep learning product, has not been released to the public. So emails from the project's leadership to employees showed that the goal of Cosmos is to build a state-of-the-art video foundation model that encapsulates the simulation of light transport, physics, and intelligence in one place to unlock various downstream applications critical to NVIDIA. And you can see this chart here showing how the Cosmos model would feed into different NVIDIA products via email obtained by 404 Media. So you have Cosmos Media model, and they would use it to fund other things like GeForce and GPU Arch and DL frameworks and other things like that. Now, a spokesperson for NVIDIA said that we respect the rights of all content creators and are confident that our models and research efforts are in full compliance with the letter and the spirit of copyright law. Copyright law protects particular expressions, but not facts, ideas, data, or information. Anyone is free to learn facts, ideas, data, or information from another source and use it to make their own expressions. Fair use also protects the ability to use a work for a transformative purpose, such as model training. Let's just look at some of the data that they used to train. They had a data set including MovieNet, a database of over 60,000 movie trailers, WebVid, a GitHub video dataset compiled of stock images. They had a dataset on GitHub with 10 million YouTube video IDs and a bunch of internal datasets and captured video game footage. They also had a dataset of 130 million YouTube videos. So if we look at some of these leaked Slack messages, we have one of the research scientists basically saying movies are a good source of data to get gaming like 3D consistency and fictional content, but much higher qualities. Both these characters are fully CGI and many live action scenes are CGI now. So he's referring to Avatar here and Lord of the Rings. And then he shows an AI generated video by Sora here which kind of looks like, I guess, looks like the characters in Avatar a little bit. Not really, but then he continued on with some of the Slack messages. He basically, someone posted a article from Hollywood Reporter of Tyler Perry had plans for $800 million studio, and he reportedly said, "I'm not doing that," after he saw the capabilities of Sora. And Hollywood again has is real sensitive, really hypersensitive about AI taking jobs and blah blah blah. So one of the employees, Ming Ying Lu, says, "What we are doing here will lead to zero publications. We will use all the data we can to download to experiment first." So it says something like this, you're right. Something like this should be communicated widely if we do this company wide, since showing an instance like theirs can backfire. Let me know in the comments what you think about all this. This is potential benefit of powerful AI tool based on NVIDIA's technology worth ethical concerns that are surrounding data collection. Do they really need human lifetimes of videos people watch in YouTube history? Obviously, there are copyright concerns of people downloading movies and different properties from different content creators. NVIDIA says it's a matter of collecting information and train data, but is there more to it than that? I want to know what y'all think. Let me know in the comments. If you're watching this on Rumble, Odyssey, or YouTube, I greatly appreciate it. Thanks and take care. I will include the link to this full article because it's pretty long. You want to check it out yourself. Shout out 404 Media for this article. Thank you and take care.